Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable extensions or add-ons in Opera GX browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down, select extensions and then click on extensions. Under extensions page, you will find all the extensions or add-ons that are installed in your Opera GX browser. To enable or disable, just click on this one disable button. In case that particular add-ons is enabled, you will find here disable option. Click on this one disable button to turn off that particular add-on, and in case you want to enable it, you will find enable option under disabled add-on. Click on this one enable button to turn on that particular add-on on your Opera GX browser.